Good morning. My name is Palvi Sharma and today I am here to conduct your IELTS speaking test. What's your full name?
My full name is Singh, but you can call me Herman.
Okay, Herman, where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Gurdaspur, but currently I live in Badal.
Okay, Herman, now I will give you one topic, which is describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. Here is your cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes for speaking. Kindly use a pencil and paper to write down some of the points on it. And your time starts now. Okay, Herman, speak.
Describing a person that I believe enjoys cooking for others, I would definitely like to talk about my mother. I believe she's the perfect person for this topic. She's an incredible cook. I remember back then I was in 5th grade when she started learning new dishes, and she would give me some of them for my lunch and pack them in my lunch box. Every day when I went to school and I opened my lunchbox, there was something new in there. And my friends tried the dishes out as well. They loved every single dish. And one day there would be burgers, the other day she would make hot dogs, and everything was so tasty. And I would eat them, and when I went back home, I would thank her, and that would bring a smile on her face. I really enjoyed that part of the day. Other than that, I believe it was my school sports meet that day, and when I opened my lunchbox, I was so graceful. It was so graceful when I found out that she had made pizza for me. Just imagine having a sports meet and you have a pizza in your lunchbox. That really lit me up, and I enjoyed the pizza. And I went back home, and she was very happy to see the way I complimented her. And I believe one day I woke up at about 4 in the morning. I think I wanted to go to the bathroom or drink some water, and I found out that the kitchen light was open. When I went in there, I saw that she was making food for me, my dad, and my sister, as all of us had to go to work that day. And I had so much respect for her at that moment, and I saw that she was working there all alone while everyone else was sleeping. That really instilled a feeling of respect and helpfulness in me towards her, and I helped her make the food, and she encouraged that activity of mine very much. And that's a person that I believe enjoys cooking for others, as whenever someone compliments her work or thanks her for the food that she gives us, the smile on her face is just so immense and joyful. I believe she naturally loves the way she cooks for others, and how it helps and how it brings a smile on everyone's face when they taste her food. She attended some competitions as well. She took part in them, and she actually won one of them, and she has that award in the trophy case as well. And so that's a person that I believe enjoys cooking.